What is a commutation in Oklahoma? Hi, I'm Oklahoma City Attorney Aaron Easton, and today we're talking about State of Oklahoma Pardon and Parole Board commutations. So I guess before talking about what a commutation is, I'll say a couple of words on what a commutation is not. And directly off the Pardon and Parole Board's website, one of the first things they notify applicants of is this is not a mechanism for early release, that is parole. A commutation is an administrative process that is meant to correct an unjust or excessive sentence that was handed down in your case. So what the Pardon and Parole Board is going to look at is, the sentence that you were handed down after conviction, was it egregious when looking at the range of punishments for that particular crime? They may also look at, is there now new evidence that wasn't available at trial that can be presented now? Also, they'll look at, has the legislature, modified or changed the sentencing guidelines for the particular crime that you were convicted and sentenced for. So those are some of the things that the Pardon and Parole Board are going to look at when determining whether or not they will provide a recommendation to the governor of Oklahoma to grant your commutation. And what that does is it would shorten your sentence to one that's more appropriate for what you were convicted of. So if a commutation is granted, it may result in the release at that time if it was shortened enough to cover the time that's already been served, or it may, you may remain in prison, but it's going to reduce the total time of your sentence. And it could be from a sentence of life without the possibility of parole to life with the possibility of parole, or perhaps a sentence of life to some reduced number, things of that nature. So if you or a loved one of yours is in a position where you are currently incarcerated and you believe that you may be a candidate to have your sentence reduced, you're going to want to speak to an attorney privately and confidentially about the specific facts of your case. And to do so with an attorney at my firm, you can go online at postconviction.lawyer or reach us by phone at 405-888-5400.